Do you feel like budgeting is impossible to stick to? What if I told you there's a way to create a budget that actually works for you? No stress. No giving up your morning coffee. Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let's get started. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we simplify personal finance and help you live your best financial life. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Today's video is all about creating a budget that you'll not only love but also stick to. Because let's face it, nobody likes feeling restricted. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Know your why. The first step to a budget you'll actually stick to is understanding your why. Why do you want to budget? Is it to pay off debt? Save for a dream vacation? Build an emergency fund? Whatever your goal is, keep it front and center. Write it down or even set it as your phone wallpaper. Trust me, having a strong reason will keep you motivated. Step 2. Track your spending. Next, you need to track your spending. Before you can create a budget, you have to know where your money is going. Use an app like Mint or YNAB, or simply jot everything down in a notebook. Break your expenses into categories: rent, groceries, subscriptions, and so on. You might be shocked by how much those small purchases add up. Step 3. Set realistic goals. One big mistake people make is setting unrealistic goals. Don't go from spending $500 a month on dining out to cutting it down to zero. That's a recipe for failure. Instead, start small. Maybe cut back by $50 a month and gradually work your way up. Budgeting is all about balance and sustainability. Step 4. Choose a budgeting method that works for you. There are tons of budgeting methods out there: zero-based budgeting, the 50-30-20 rule, or even envelope budgeting. The key is finding what works for your lifestyle. Personally, I love the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. Try a few methods and stick with the one that feels right. Step 5. Automate your finances. Automation is your best friend. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account and schedule your bill payments. This takes the guesswork out of budgeting and ensures you're always on track. Out of sight, out of mind, but in a good way. Step 6. Review and adjust regularly. Life happens, and your budget needs to evolve with it. Review your budget every month and make adjustments as needed. Maybe you got a raise or your expenses changed. Whatever it is, keep your budget flexible. The goal is progress, not perfection. And there you have it. A budget you'll actually stick to. Remember, budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. Freedom to spend on what matters most. Which of these steps are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on saving, budgeting, and building wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.